What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm going to do the mods that are done to the Focus. It's not much and it's definitely still not fast, but there's some stuff done to it, and I've had some requests for a list on what all I have done to it. So we're going to start off with the interior. As you can see, it has a lot of blue painted bits in here, which whoop-de-doo. I mean, the car's not blue, but it looks alright. Has a SVT HVAC controls, they're blue. This is the stock Sony head unit that came with the car when it was stock. This isn't the right surround. It's supposed to have a Explode edition one, and it doesn't. You're not going to be able to see it, but it has a polyurethane tranny mount and a dog bone mount also. And back there's some blue painted stuff too. Don't mind the dirt on the seat here. I had my dog in here. And it has some pretty cool floor mats. They're freaking awesome, huh? And other than the blue painted stuff, it has a Focus Central short throw shifter. And it has the stock Sony speakers still, which you're probably not going to be able to see either, but they're in there. And the subwoofer that came with the car is not in the car anymore. From the factory, they had a 10-inch sub in the trunk, and there's no trunk carpet back there, no spare tire. I can't even pop the trunk, so can't even show you that. And then somebody burned a heart into the but yeah, I don't have any plans for the interior really. I mean, it's fine for me. If anything, I'll probably repaint this side, but that's the least of my worries. I don't really care. And oh, the crappy purple tint on the windows. It's obviously wasn't purple to begin with, but it is now. I'm gonna get that redone eventually. So a few of the other things that you guys might not be able to see in the video, but I'll try to show you. Has a Steeda throttle body, which is blue. Has a board intake manifold, polyurethane driver and passenger motor mounts, and it also has comp stage 2 cams in it. If you want the actual details on those, comments or DM me on Instagram at @justanother_car_dude, and I can definitely give you that information. So we'll move on to body wise and rims and all that fun stuff. If you see me looking away from the cameras, because I got a list right here, that way I don't forget anything. It has a xenon body kit, which used to be full. Now it's just front and rear because the sides were destroyed. As you can see, the paint's chipping like crazy. I'm going to remove this bumper and fix that probably over the winter. And then has LED strips in here, which are color changing. Pretty sure I have a video on those somewhere working, but it's daytime, so you probably won't be able to see much. If I turn them on, I'll try to see how that works. Has LED headlights, which again you're not really going to be able to see unless I turn the car on, which I will shortly. It has XL F1 rims. They're 17x7, and they are painted black terribly. I did myself. They were white and orange, so yeah, painted them black. They look better than they did. Brakes are stock, and I have Lionheart LH503s on here. Yeah, they're pretty good too so far. Alright, let's move on to the fun stuff. There's a AEM cold air intake. It is now a short ram intake because someone cut it off, and you know, I have the sweet zip ties holding it up. And here's the Steeda throttle body. It's pretty stock out here. That's my controller for the LED lights that are in the bumper. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty much nothing to look at here. So it also has race lamp coilovers on it, which I just installed recently, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see in there. Nope, definitely not. But they're there. I have a video on those too. But that's pretty much it. I'll show you the back too. Oh, I also had to put bumper ties on it because when I first bought the car, it was held on by zip ties, and blacked these side markers out because it looked dumb when they were orange. This is the back, which I have to adjust these coilovers. They're way too freaking tall still. They're down there. But yeah, and then the rear valance needs redone too because it's chipping like crazy. But so if you hear like a constant humming in the background, kind of sounds like a helicopter, it's actually one of the farmers around here picking corn. There's fields literally all around here. You won't be able to see it, but there's one back on the other side of those trees, and there is another one over here, and there's also one back there. So yeah, you probably hear that, and then also somebody went by in a nice white Ford Dolly. But yeah, alright, time to start the car. Before I do that, I'm gonna let you know that the exhaust is SVT exhaust from the flex pack, and I had a straight pipe welded in place of the mid muffler. As you can see, it's a different day, and I am in the barn again. But yeah, I got 2 kids, a wife, and you know, family happened yesterday, and today it's raining. Say hi.
Hi.
Should we rev it up?
Yeah.
We should rev it up. Yeah? Is that good?
Yeah.
Alright. Huh?
It's me and then you.
Me and you. Me and then you.
Yeah.
You and then me?
Yeah.
Me and then you? Alright guys, that's going to do it for this upload. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and check me out on Instagram at justanother_cardude. And I'll see you guys on the next one.